In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF files for free using WPS Office. If you need to make quick changes to a PDF without paying for expensive software, WPS Office is a simple option that can help with basic editing tasks. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open your PDF, access the editing tools, and make common changes directly inside the program. To begin, open WPS Office on your computer. Once the application launches, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the option to open an existing file. Click Open, and a file browser window will appear on your screen. Now locate the PDF file you want to edit. Take a moment to browse to the correct folder if needed, then select the PDF. After that, click Open or simply press Enter on your keyboard. WPS Office will then load the file, so give it a few seconds to fully open depending on the size of the document. Once your PDF is open, the next thing you need to do is enable editing. Look for the Edit Content option near the top of the window. In some versions of WPS Office, this may appear as a pencil icon instead of the full text label. Click that option to switch into editing mode. After editing mode is active, you can start making basic changes to the PDF. For example, you can click into existing text and edit it directly if the file allows it. You can also add new text or remove text that is no longer needed. This is useful for updating forms, correcting small mistakes, or revising document details without having to recreate the file from scratch. WPS Office also gives you tools for markup and review. You may be able to highlight important sections or add comments, which is especially helpful if you're reviewing a document or sharing feedback with someone else. If you want to explore more, take a look through the toolbar and the ribbon at the top of the screen. That's where the available editing features are organized, and it's a good place to find the tools that best match what you need to do. As a quick tip, if a PDF seems difficult to edit, it may be because of how the original file was created. Some PDFs are more flexible than others, so basic edits usually work best on standard text-based documents. And that's it. That's how to edit PDF files for free using WPS Office. Once you're done, review your changes carefully and keep your edited version organized so it's easy to find later.